If you want to delete a YouTube video from your channel using a phone, but you don't know where to start, then follow the steps in this video because I'm going to show you how to do it in a couple of simple steps. The process is the same whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. And the first thing which we're going to do is to open the YouTube Studio app on our mobile phone and then search for the video which you want to delete. If you don't have the Studio app, then stick around because I'll show you another way. But if you are using the Studio app and you've located your video, then just click on this pen icon, which is going to open the editor, go down to the bottom of the page, and select More Options. And this page gives us the ability to add video tags and similar things, but we're going to tap on Delete from YouTube, which is then going to remove the YouTube video from our channel. But if you don't use YouTube Studio on your mobile phone, but you want to remove that video from channel, you can open your official YouTube application and then make sure you're logged into the correct YouTube account. Our job from here is to access our Videos section, so tap on You at the bottom right corner. After that, select this View Channel option here. Go over to your Videos section and then locate the video which you want to remove from YouTube. Let's say I want to delete this latest upload from my channel. All I'll do is to tap the three dots at the right side and then Delete. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.